Hi, hi all. Morning. Yesterday we have seen how to create a CQ application structure. Yeah, yesterday we have created a CQ application structure. Inside of the CQ application structure, we created templates, corresponding page components. Under the page component, even we created a script file that is JSP. Inside the JSP, we have written some script, and we created website structure. In the website structure, we created web page as well. One web page we created with a newly created template, and even we included a passes, and we learned how to load a sidekick in a page. Sidekick is what? What is sidekick? Yeah, what is sidekick? May someone can explain what is sidekick? Where are the rest of the people? There are two more people to join, I guess. Today is mostly a kind of interactive session, kind of question and answer. Not exactly question and answer, just discussion kind of things. It is a toolbox. Yes, what the toolbox contains, what that toolbox contains. Yes, that is a toolbox, but what is the toolbox? Fine, you are getting, by including init.jsp script in your component, you are able to get that in your pages. But what that box contains? Of course, correct. Yes, components will be available in a sidekick. Perfect. Have you people installed a CQ server in your local? You can do a Grace, wherever it is. Yes, okay. Have you done application development structure? Have you created application in your local? Means you completed. Okay, have you done complete end-to-end, which we did yesterday? Have you created a page structure in your local? Great, okay, all right. Can you share me your screen? You connected to laptop, right? Grace and Nicandro, can you share your screen? I'm making you people as a presenter. Just share your screen. Yes, I have given a permission. Just share your screen so that I can see your screen. Grace, I think I have given permission to you. Can you share your screen? Grace, will you be going to present the screen? Yeah, able to see your screen?
Can you see my screen?
Yes, able.
Okay.
Show me the website structure and page which you created.
So this is the project, my training application.
Okay.
Can you see that? Yeah, but and the page. But I think I need to add some code in the JSP and then.
That's fine. Open the page.
Yeah, I think which is the page? I think this is the page.
Yeah, the created page. Yes, perfect.
Yeah,
add some JSP. Some text, hello world or something, whichever text you want, just place it. So we should get output so that.
Okay.
No. It is scriptlet. You should not place there. There Java code should go. That is scriptlet type, right? 13th line, enter. After 13th, line number 13.
You mean add some like this?
No, it's wrong.
Oh, this is the wrong place.
Yeah, it's wrong place. After 13, 13, enter there. Press enter. Yes, here you can. Yep, can refresh.
Yes.
Yeah, just hold on, Nicandro. I'll come to you. I'll come to your question. Just wait. Let's see the output of Grace so that will answer Nicandro's question.
Oh, sorry, it's so slow.
It's too slow. Seems. What is your RAM size?
I think maybe I just started my computer, so it is slow. Just wait.
Okay, right.
Or we can.
When kids to attending the class? It's too slow, seems.
Yeah, it's too slow. Sorry. Maybe I should.
Yeah, fine. Things are fine. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you're perfect. It's fine. You can leave. Just Nicandro, yeah. What's your question? Can you brief?
Any question from me?
Okay. I have this and the CQ the same time. Of crash. Once this question memory is very limited, so that you should have a little bit more RAM memory. Just 258 or 512 MB RAM is enough. I guess no system is there these days which is having RAM 512. I hope you have more than 512, at least 1 GB RAM. 1 GB is enough for CQ. What's your problem? What settings not required? You should have just 1 MB is enough. 1 GB RAM is enough. What is your RAM? Just show me. Let me share permission to you. Just wait. I'll make you as a presenter.
Yep. So.
512 MB?
What? Yeah, I can hear you, but at the so.
Yeah,
You
just
want to talk about how to create the application, or what I'm going to do? What should I do next?
Next, just we'll explain. Next section we'll continue, right?
Explain the application?
Yeah, the next steps will be there. I'll explain in the session so that you can listen to and you can follow the session and you can create rest of things later on.
Okay.
You created basic template, basic component, and basic page structure in CQ. That's fine. Till here only, right? We did complete?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, correct?
So
till here only, right?
Will we add something in the template? Do we need to add something in the template?
Later on, I'll tell you.
Okay.
In next sessions, I'll tell you.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So what are we going to do this session?
Yeah, I'll explain. I'll continue. Just listen to others, right? Just we'll overview the other thing, other people's what they have done. Okay?
Okay.
Sorry. Yeah, Nicandro, just show me your screen. Is it 512? If it's 512, so that we can see later on. 512 MB. I have given you presenter permission. Just show your screen. Share just. Varinder, I hope you also have done. Varinder. Completed. You share? Nicandro, can you share your screen? I think he is away. When I can expect from you the Azure concepts which we have done? Tomorrow, sure? So installation and completion of this template structure and all these things, fine, thank you. And next, Nicandro, he's offline. Seems. Nicandro and Shafiqul are into Nicandro, Shafiqul, and Varinder are at to just only grace completed yesterday's. Rest of people, please show me the things tomorrow. Today, just we'll see few concepts. Okay. Today we'll see the things that how to move the content from author to a publish server. I'm starting my CQ author server. Are you able to see, guys, my screen? No? Hope now. You must be able to. I've started author server. Just it's starting. See, automatically it picked the browser by default. Admin. Yeah, sure. The concept is there are two servers. In two modes. Those are what are the modes? Basically, author and publish mode. I have developed my application and website structure both in my author server. Where I have developed? In my author server. In my author server, I have developed. But here is a publisher server. In live environment, you will have two servers. Means while developing a CQ application, you will have two servers. One is running in author mode, another one is running in publish mode. In author mode, where you develop all the components and CQ structure and website structure and all template development and script development and the design configuration and workflows, everything you develop in an author server. Once you develop, you will have to move the content or else development things from author server to the publish server. Okay, Nikandra, no problem. Yeah, we have to move content from author to the publish server, whichever we develop. For that, what we need to do? First, we need to make a connection between author server and publisher server. There must be a connection. There must be a connection from author to publisher server. This is what that connection. You have to prepare a connection between author server and publisher server. To establish the connection between author and publisher server, the both servers must be up. If both are up, then only you can test the established connection. Established connection. So I have started my author server, which is running on 4502. Let's say up the publish server as well. Our publish server already we have started in previous sessions. That was started in a 4504. So just double click it. Already CRX-quick start folder has been exploded in previously only. So then our publish server will not take much time to get started because already it has exploded. I am starting my CQ publish server as well. If both servers are up and running, we can make a connection between author and publisher server. This is the author server already I have started. This is the author server already I have started. I want to make a connection between author and publisher server. That connection you can make in author server only. You have to prepare that connection in author server. Where you can prepare that connection is go to classic UI, means switch to classic UI. Go to see our publish server started. That's the reason it has picked the new window in the default browser. Admin, sign in to the publish server. Okay, fine. Forget about the publish. Later we'll talk about the publisher. First, we have to prepare a connection in author server. That is on 4502. To make a connection in author server, you have to go to Tools console. What I'm doing is I'm making a connection. Under Tools console, this is Tools console. Go to Replication. Under the Replication, Agents on Author. Just double click this Agents on Author. You will get one page. What I have done, go to Replication. You have to open this Agents on Author. Either go here, right click, open, or else just double click here, Agents on Author. Either way you can go, you can use it to open this page. I opened it. If you observe here, when you open the agents on author, what all the agents are available which are configured to publish server? Default agent, dispatcher flush, reverse replication agent, static agent, test and target, offloading outbox, replication agent. Select this default agent here. This is where we configure a primary replication agent from author to publish server. And click this default agent. We call this agents as a replication agents. We call those agents as a replication agents. You have to configure this replication agents to carry the content from author to the publish server. These are the by default things which are available on author. This is the default agent. So these are the things. Agent is enabled and agent configured to replicate the content to which server? http:// localhost 4503. By default, it is assuming that there is a publish server sitting on a localhost and on 4503 IP. If you want to change any settings, you have here settings option. On click of edit, you will get a window or a widget or a dialog where you can configure your transport details, password, and serialization type, and retry delay. Means if something is failed to replicate from author to the publish server, and next time in which time gap it has to replicate again. This is the time gap. In 60,000 milliseconds again it will retry to move the content from author to publish server. This happens in a failure cases and log level. It is info, not error or some debug. It is info means it will generate a log file. We'll see that all things we'll see. Transport. Go to transport. Here you configure. This is the main menu tab where you configure your publish details, publish server details. username and password of the admin, password of the publish server. I am assuming that my publish server is running on 4503 and username is admin of my publish server, password is admin. I'm done with my settings. I don't want to prepare any proxy, extended triggers and batch. I'm done with my settings. Click OK. Now author server is up and publish server is up. Both the servers are up. This is author, this is publish. Both are up. As I said, if both are up and connection is prepared, and test the established connection, where you can test. Here you have option to test the connection. Just here option you have to test the connection. Test the connection. Oh, failure. Why? Author server is up, publish server is up, and the connection has been established here. And when I test the connection, connection failed, connection refused. Why it's so? Can anyone tell? Can anyone ping in chat why the connection is refused? Grace? Any guess? Or Varinder? Yeah, of course, logged in, right? You have logged in here. Yes, perfect, Nicandro. Yes, Nicandro. Yes, still we logged in. Yes, your answer is correct. The port is 4504. You guys are correct, guys. So port is 4502. Sorry, 4504. The publisher port is 4504. So go to settings, edit, transport. Yes, here port is 4504. Now click OK. Now test the connection. See, succeeded. Now connection is established successfully. This job is done. Now what we have to do, what the task is left, the thing we developed yesterday, the application and the website structure and application structure, we have to move from author server to the publish server. For that we have to publish server. Below are the ways, different ways we have. Moving content from author to the publish server. What we call that one as what we call it as replication process. Also we call it as waiting content from author to publish. These all one and all are same. Moving content from author to publish server, activating content, and replication process. Everything is same. So to move content from author to the publish server, these are the ways. Different ways we have. I will show each and every way. Just observe it. This is the site admin. See, every window or else every console, if you go on top, select any content. This may be one content, this may be one content, this may be one content. From here you can activate. On right click, you will get activate option. This is one place where you can. Or else, go to site admin, open some page. I am opening, let's say, assume I am opening contacts.html page. I got sidekick. In the first tab, go to components tab, and second tab, page tab. Here you have option to activate it. You got it? This is the place, one place where you can activate. This is page activation we can perform. And another place we can do it in CRXD. I will show you later. It will be little bit tough. Okay. Now we have made a connection between author to the publish server. Now we have to move the content from author to the publish server. Now let me show you one practical example. Geometrics page. This is one page. I'm closing these consoles, this replication agents and the successful connection console. See, observe guys, this is 4504 publish server. This is what? Author 4502. Open the same page in publish server. Copy this path. Paste it here. And press enter. See, the page here, as you are in author mode, you are getting the sidekick, this editable mode and editable options. This window is hectic. This is making problems. Yeah, you're able to see this edit options and the sidekick. And this left side content finder. I'll get content finder when I add CF hash. If I remove CF hash, left side column I will not get. See guys, am I getting left side column? That is CF content finder, which is a DAM pulling application. It pulls the DAM, means images, videos, documents in the left side column. That we call it as a content finder. In the URL, if you add after the port CF hash slash, you will get the content finder in the left side. Okay, this is author server. Fine, the both pages are same. If you observe by view, this is live view, this is live server and live view. Both pages are same. I want to modify the page on author. I want to add, go to components tab. Under page tab, you will have activate and deactivate and different options, copy, move, all this stuff. I want to modify the page here. Copy it. paste it. See, I have modified or not the content of the page. Just I copied this component and pasted again. You see what I did? I'll do it again. Wait, delete. This is the actual page view. I'm modifying this page on author contacts.html. Right click, copy, select the parses and drop your component here which you copied. Pasted. Copy paste will work, boss. This is the clipboard. Here you will be able to see when you copy the things, automatically that will be copied to the browser clipboard. Yeah, I modified finally my page. I want to move this page, modified page, from author to the publisher server. For that, as I said, go to page tab, click on activate. If something, any content or specific things which are not available on page, you will get a window. It is asking that this is not available, boss. etc cloud service, MSFT translation and MSFT, these all things are not available. So do you want me to move? Yes, move along with this page. Move along with this page, that is contacts.html. Activate it. You got a message. You able to see? Page successfully activated. Where we have done that? 4502. Go to server 4504. Refresh your page. See how fastly we moved the content or changes from author to publisher. The end user, in the next refresh, in a fraction of seconds itself, the end user will get the modified content. How fast the development is? Very fast or not? No deployments, nothing, blah blah blah. Nothing, right? For example, I want to add text and image component in my author server. Added. Select the component. Right click, edit. Text and image component is available in CQ. Out of the box component, that is. I want to enter some text. Just enter the text in your an image. Drag and drop one image. Either you can select from local, draw up an image, or click to upload it. You can select it from your Windows local file system as well, or else drag and drop it from left side content finder. I have dragged from left side content finder and dropped in image place. Click OK. Now refresh it. This is your modified page. And if you observe, this page and this page content both are different in author and publisher. I want to activate this page, or else replicate it, or else move content from author to the publish server. Move content from author to the publish server. How I am able to move? Because the connection has been established successfully from author to the publish server and tested as well. What I am doing? I am replicating, or else activating content, or else moving content from author to the publish server. This I am doing. Now you modified the page in author server. Now move it to the publish. How you can just activate it. To the page, Click on activate. This image is not available, boss. Do you want me to move to publish server along with the page? Yes, move it. What is this image? BS vertical. This image is not available. So do you want me to move along with the image? Yes, move it. Page successfully activated. Just refresh your page. See. This is how we do activation from author to the publish server. Now my concern is that I want to move the thing yesterday we developed from author to the publish server. This is 4502. Under 4502 I have developed my training application yesterday. See, this is my training application. And I have developed a page in author server. What is the page? This is the page I developed. Double click to open. This is the page which I developed yesterday, my training page. Is this page available in publish server? Just copy this URL and paste it. This is 4504. Paste it against to the publish server and press enter. See. The page is not available because that has not been activated yet from author to the publish server. Go to the page and activate the page. And it is saying that this image is not available. What is that image? This is the image. So move that image also from author to the publish server. Yes, move it. Activate it. The page is activated successfully. Now the question I am raising, please answer. If I refresh here in 4504, if I refresh here, what the output I will get? What the output I will get if I refresh on 4504. I have successfully activated page from author to the publish server. Again I will activate if you want. Again I will activate. See. Activated the page successfully. What will be the output on 4504? Will I get 404? That is no resource found, or else same output, that is welcome. Hello, welcome to Adobe CQ5.6.1 in this image. This is my first page developed in Adobe CQ. Will I get this output or else any error? But I got the message page successfully activated. What the output? Can anyone what the output will be? Oh, sorry, I'm specifically pinned to Varinder. This has been raised by Nicandro. Can anyone? What the output will be? No output. Next, why so no output? If no output, why so no output? Yeah, the output will be empty. See, if I press enter, if I press refresh, output will be empty. But page is activated successfully. But why empty? I need your attention now. Page. Page is sitting. Page is the template. Template is not points to page component. That is, sorry, component that is page rendering. Page rendering component. This diagram only will give you answer. Simple diagram will give you simple answer. I don't give any explanation. I'll draw the diagram. Just it will give you understanding. There is a connection between author and publish server successfully. This is connection between author and publish server is established. Fine. What is this? This is the connection. What I did, just I opened my training page.html. I edited something and I am planning to move this page from author to the publish server. But whatever the changes I am able to see in my author server, here is author. If I add anything or else modify or delete anything, here I am able to see on 4502. This is 4504. Whatever the changes I added, I am able to see here, but not able to see here. Why means the diagram itself is telling, boss, just you are moving only the page. The page dependent template component and this entire application structure is not available in publish server, right? The only you are keep on trying to move the page. But what about the template? Whatever the component, whatever this entire application structure of your application, these all not things are not there, right? In publish server, then how you will get output? Whenever you refresh this page, this my training homepage.html page, you're trying to move it from here to here. Of course, you moved it successfully. But what about this page is pointing to a template and which internal component? These are not available at all. So, you're not getting any output. Still, if you want to check, go to 4504/crx/d. That is Content Repository Extreme Development Environment. If you see, select apps, is there any My Training application? The application with the same name, the 4502. Is there any application? In author it is there, but it is not there in publish, right? See, under apps you are not able to find. The template itself is not available. So it is waste of moving a page from author to publish server. First you have to deploy your application or else move your application from author to publish server. Then after move your pages. Then your pages will have output with the immediate modifications effect. So everything is content in CQ. CQ consider everything. As I said, your application, your template or component or page or workflow or anything with respect to CQ is a template, is a content. So if you move content from author to publish server, then you will get output. So how you move a content from author to publish server? Sorry. This is your author server for 4502. You have to move entire, you have to move entire of your application from CQ author to publish server. For that, here you need to go to package manager. Package manager, where you create packages and move it from author to publisher. I think the time will not be sufficient. Tomorrow I'll explain this creation of the packages of application. This is very, very important concept. The concept which I like in CQ. Package. It's a very awesome feature. The feature which they develop, I like it very much. In initial session itself or else in the next session, I told you, the better feature which I like in CQ is packages creation. Very powerful. Because you don't need to struggle any web deployments and blah blah blah. Just create package and move it to publish server. I'll explain it tomorrow. Hope you guys understood today's things. That is how to create how to up the publish server, how to create a replication agent. Where we create a replication agent, where we create under tools console. Do not forget miscellaneous admin, where we create replication agent under miscellaneous admin, that is tools console. Under tools console, go to replication, under replication agents and author. Just double click this page, or else open default agent, right click, click on open. Here establish connections perfectly. What is this bin/receive on publish server? This is the path, represents a servlet. What is this? Very important in interview. The perfect definition. Easily you can tell them. What is bin/receive? This is a servlet. After the servlet question mark, Sling authentication request login is 1. This is a query parameter which you are passing to the servlet. You will get it with a servlet side request.get parameter of Sling authentication request login. We will see in depth. But what is bin/services? Which is a servlet configured in publish server. Where? This side, it keep listens. This side that servlet sits is publish server side, and keep listens to the replication events from author server. If any replication event occurs in author server, just this publish server side, that servlet, that bin/receive servlet listens and reads data from author to the publish server. Reads data from author to the publish server. This is servlet basically. When you configure replication agent, automatically one socket will be open to the publish server. So that socket keep listens to the author replication events. So this side, this publish side, always that servlet reads the content from author and it places in a particular path. The same path it maintains in a publish server as well. As I said, the same path. See here, same path is there. Here the path what you maintain in author server in 4502. From this path you are replicating something, activating. At the same path only it will create the same content. It maintains a path structure same in publish server as well. So in that path only the servlet creates the content as a CQ node. Hope you understood what is replication configuration and publishing content from author to the publish server. And you may ask one question in today's session. When I moved content from author server to the publish server of this contacts page, this contact page, all the content has moved immediately. How come it is possible? Without failure, you are able to see the same content in public server as well. I am opening public server, removing CF hash and 4504. I am able to see the same content here in public server. Why? No error, no empty, no 404 or no resource found errors, because in public server it is having the same template structure. Means all the templates and entire application structure, that geometric application structure is available, that script files are available in public server. That's the reason you are able to get the output here. If you have any doubt, you can check. Go to 4504. Do you have geometric application or not? Entire components, everything is available in 4502. The same is available in 4502 also. Geometrics. The things which are available on author server 4502, the same things are available in public server, that is 4504. That's the reason whatever the modification you make it, you are able to see in public server without empty. Hope you guys understood. And in tomorrow's session, you have a lot of pending concepts, pending things up the public server and create the application structure, and up the public server as well, and move content from author to the public server. Configure the replication agents. Tomorrow mostly question and answer session only will be. All the previous concepts only we have to revise, and anything is pending, we will have to do it in session itself tomorrow. Tomorrow no more concepts will be explained. Previous things only mostly. Okay, alright, thank you. Any doubts? If you have any doubts, you can ping me now. Already explained it in, you don't need to have Nicandro, you don't need to have any setup actually, just double click the jar file, that's it. Install Java 7, Java 1.7, and just double click the jar file. That is CQ jar. So your server will start and up. 512 MB means it will be very slow. You should not run other applications. Just only one and only CQ you have to run. That will not be possible. Or else you have to kill all the system processes which run in the background. So which sucks the RAM memory. No, not at all. In initial session only I told you. Itself I told you that CQ5.6.1 only runs up to Java 1.7. It will not support 1.8. Only 1.7. If you have 1.8, you have to uninstall it and you have to install 1.7. Then only it will run. You will be able to install it. So you have to downgrade it. Okay, thank you, Nicandro. Thanks all. We'll see it in tomorrow's session. Tomorrow, please come up with the things. I'll ask tomorrow only. Shafiqul and Varinder as well. Thank you guys. Thank you.